Hello, so welcome again to day 7, and I'm gonna for the web application for Pinoy business owners. So today I'm gonna be doing a demonstration of Google Veo 3, which is very popular now sa TikTok or sa Facebook or sa Instagram and even in YouTube, no? So this is an example of that.
Akong CEO at head of marketing. Yes, minimalist look pero may beach, may sun, may fire emoji.
So, gumawa ako ng series called Ako Ang CEO. So, yun ang ano ko. Ako ang CEO pero ano siya, all-around person, no? So, gumawa ako ng several series of it ng short videos using Veo 3. So, but in different style ang in-approach ko, no? So, usually ginagawa ng mga ibang tao is usually they add text to it. But in this particular case, gumawa ako ng tinatawag natin na video context profile. So ano ba yung video context profile? It's basically a JSON code where JSON, which the LLM or yung AI can understand better. No? So what does it look like? It looks like this. No? So naka-itemize kagad yung anong gusto mo and then ano yung pagagawa niya. So like yung title, for example, yung duration, ano yung aspect ratio, ano yung tone, ano yung theme. So hindi na nag-iisip yung AI ano yung gusto mong mangyari. So it will basically read all of this and it would follow strictly yung format, strictly yung concept and everything else, no? So and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Now you can actually apply if you want to have consistent Veo 3 outputs for yourself, no? So if you guys want to see the final version of all of this put together, watch it at the very end of the video. So yun lang po for day 7. If you have any questions about video or image context profile, just write a comment. See you guys.
Ako ang CEO, Chief Everything Officer.
Magaling din ako sa operations and janitorial services.
Ako ang CEO, Chief Everything Officer. Hello po. Yes ma'am, may delivery po kami. Ako rin po yung rider.
Ako ang CEO at customer support 24/7. Ako ang CEO at life coach din. Kaya mo to. Isang benta lang today. Isang benta lang.
Ako ang CEO at HR Department. Uy, late ka na naman. Warning ka na ha.